today. My name is Noor. We're going to be diving deep into the world of ChatGPT plugins, specifically Voxscript, and how it can revolutionize the way we can create niche website and how we can make up to $1,000 a day using this plugin. Alright, so I've actually created a strategy myself that I'm going to go over in this YouTube video that we can actually use to create these niched websites automatically, literally completely automated. And yeah, I'll go over exactly how I did that. You can potentially earn up to $1,000 a day, as I said. Let me share a quick story. So a few months ago, I was curious about AI. Obviously, we found out ChatGPT. I decided to pay for the plugin because pay for Plus because I saw plugins, and plugins are actually amazing. All right. So with GPT-4, there is a new plugin. It's called Voxscript. So I have it here. It essentially allows you to do a lot of different things. I mean, I'm going to go over this conversation very soon, but it basically lets you do a massive amount of research across YouTube. So it summarizes YouTube transcripts. It gives you the ability to do YouTube search, interact Q&A, so you can actually follow up with the transcript itself. It can assume the personality of the person in the video, of the creator, of the influencer, and has the ability to analyze multiple YouTube videos from a channel based on a particular search term. Okay, I mean, I have everything right here. It's an awesome tool. Let's actually get into how we can use it to create these niched news websites and how you can actually earn a living from using Voxscript itself. So essentially what I've got here is a conversation with ChatGPT about using the actual plugin. So it's quite cool. I'll go over the process of this niche news website and how we can actually use Voxscript along with Webpilot to create an awesome tool. Let's actually refer to Webpilot as well. Webpilot is quite similar to Voxscript, but what it does is it doesn't really have this is more of a Swiss Army knife. This is very specific to links. So if you get a link within Voxscript, it will be able to analyze the link and it can gather data within the link. So it's quite cool. Now what I did was I asked AI to give me the latest health trends in the AI healthcare industry, and I said increase the maximum results to 10. Now, this is very important because I'll show you right now. When you take a look here, it usually gives you max results 5, but if you give it 10, it analyzes 10 different websites and it gets into further detail of each link. When I say get into further detail of each link, what I mean is it clicks on the link and it uses Webpilot to do further research, because Webpilot gives you a lot more token limits. As you can see, it's a lot more data here gathered from this one link versus Voxscript, which usually just gives you kind of an outline or a summary or a snippet of each of the URLs. Awesome. So now we have Voxscript and we have Webpilot. We're using this together. Now what I asked it to do was I also asked it to use text to speech to convert the summaries to I don't know why I said video. What I meant was audio, and the plugin is called SpeechKey. So we're combining Voxscript with Webpilot and SpeechKey together, and we're able to make essentially an AI news aggregator for healthcare industry, or AI in the healthcare industry. Basically, that's what the niche news website is about, and that's what we're doing here. Now it's giving me the summary of each article. Now what I asked it was to add an audio summary, and it actually created the audio summary. I was actually able to create the audio summary. So let me just increase my volume here. Apparently this is actually not playing anymore because I think I must have, it's not playing anymore, unfortunately. Audio version. Yeah, so I guess it deletes itself when you don't download it. That was my mistake, but it did basically give me a summary of this in audio format. Now I said summarize this into a blog for a niche news website, citing the source of the dates released in the newest article. Write the summary in the format of a world-renowned scientist like Richard Dawkins. And there we go. It's able to summarize it, and based on all the data it's collected, it's created a blog. It's actually pretty insane, guys. This is literally going to revolutionize content on another level. Like, you can imagine how much content we can create. I even asked it to create a more detailed 2,000-word article. I did look into it though. There is some inaccuracies in the data, so you'd need to follow up. It wouldn't be perfect, but you can imagine that getting a massive team of virtual assistants to use this, and you can essentially automate content creation very effectively. And this is what I'm doing right now across multiple niche news websites, and I'm producing a lot of money through Google Ads. So this is a very effective strategy. If you have spare time, if you have some time, 2-3 hours a day, or if you have a team, just to create this massive amount of content across many niche news websites. And honestly, I think like this is going to be revolutionizing the way we do research and the way we kind of understand how to actually gather data, and even creating content will be revolutionized. It saves us so much time. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll be sure to answer it. I'll introduce you to my newsletter. It's called Machconomy. It's completely free. What is it about? Well, specifically just to help you to Machconomy. If you're as excited about the potential of AI as I am, you're gonna love this. I want to introduce you to Machconomy. It's a weekly newsletter that's about unlocking the power of AI for your income specifically. It provides insights from experts in the AI field, access to cutting-edge research and analysis, as well as updates on the latest trends and opportunities in AI, and information about the latest AI plugins that you can use to help generate wealth. AI is amazing. It's revolutionary right now. It will keep you up to date with the latest AI trends, as I said, and tools and strategies that you can use to help stay ahead of the competition. So we're doing this ourselves. We're creating these new strategies, as well as recommending amazing tools you can use to generate a lot of wealth using artificial intelligence. You have to stay ahead of the game, because if you don't, you'll be left behind. So if you want to stay ahead of the competition, as I said, be the first to know about the new breakthroughs in the field of AI and learn about the latest technology, techs and trends and whatnot, I suggest you take a look, and yeah.